Alright, so here are the items. I'll take you guys one by one. And again, this is my Walmart haul. I wish I could like do both of my grocery hauls like in the same video, but we just don't go to the other grocery store at the same time, so that's why. But these are the things that I do pick up from Walmart. I don't always do this, but I did get a skirt steak. If you haven't been following for very long, I just like to do the steak for like pan sheet dinners. It's so easy and really good. I do like broccoli and bell peppers, put it all on the same pan sheet and then broil it. So we've got that. We've got some green onions. I get this for a bunch of different meals. I also got this because I'm gonna make a meal that I got from HelloFresh that I really liked. I still have like the recipe cards for it, so it calls for shrimp and green onions, obviously other things too, but like those two I didn't have on hand. I got chopped broccoli. I normally get fresh broccoli, but it was out of stock, and I thought, let me try the frozen broccoli for like the pan sheet dinners. That's how I use broccoli. And then this is chicken breast. It's still kind of covered, but it's chicken breast, and yeah, I make, you know, different styles of chicken. And then we've got a lot of ice cream in this, I think. Or no, is it just these two? Why did I think I had like a third thing of ice cream? But I've been just wanting smoothies and ice cream, just like really cool stuff, probably just because it's hot. But this is the Walmart brand. I really love this. The one thing I'll say about it though is that they don't give you equal amounts of each. So each box is actually different. You never know if you're gonna get 3 of these or 4 of these, or you know, however many of those. So in this instance, I don't feel like I scored very well because I've got 3 fudges and only 2 caramels and then 3 plains. The box before this, there were 4 caramels, so it was pretty awesome. But yeah, it's just, I don't know why it's random like that, but just FYI. Then I got this one, which is the Magnum Double Sea Salt Caramel. It is so good, and this whole thing, like on the inside, is rimmed with chocolate. So it's like encased in chocolate. There's chocolate at the bottom, chocolate all around, chocolate at the top, and the ice cream's like sits in the middle. So you have to like crack it. Okay, then we've got the bread. So this is like one of those things where we would get at the other grocery store. We get like our turkey meat, our sandwich meat. We get lettuce and tomatoes for our sandwiches at the grocery store. That's not at Walmart, and so that's what would be missing essentially from this haul. So this is the bread I've been onto lately. I really like it. I needed some eggs. These were actually a substitution. They were not the ones that I picked out, but I've actually been out of eggs for a couple of weeks, so it was time to restock them. Got my creamer caramel macchiato. This one's my favorite. And then orange juice. I have some canned items, so Rotel, some corn, stewed, diced. These are honestly just like a continuation of stockpiling. And then we've got ketchup, some shampoo and conditioner that I needed. I'm still on this Hask stuff right here, coconut oil. It's really good, I like it. We got a big bag of Reese's back in the middle. This is actually a substitution for the strawberry. I got the peach because my daughter likes the peach, but they substituted it for the strawberry, unfortunately. But I like the strawberry, so I'll eat this one. We've got the potato, what am I saying? We've got the chips and the scoops. Blueberries, blackberries, my usual bell peppers, the red, green, yellow. We've got 1 lemon. I didn't know that I only got 1 lemon. This is a substitution. I actually ordered like the mini bell peppers in the mix, and this was their substitution version of that. And then this is the Philadelphia whipped mixed berry. So this is new to my grocery hauls, but my daughter got me on this fruit dip. It's basically this and this, and it's amazing. You just basically mix those two together and then dip your fruit in it, and it is so good. I don't know why, but we got a ton of boxes of fruit snacks. I think this was like a substitution. I ordered like one box of Gushers. I think it was like maybe a bigger box, and then this was their version of the substitution for that. So I don't know, there it is. And then Scooby snacks. These are so good. And then I've been also craving like fruits, probably again just summertime. And so I got oranges and mandarins. And then for the drinks, cran mangoes. These are really good. Ginger ale and Sprite. Lately, I don't know what it is with Sprite, but I've been ordering it this version, and I've been getting a substitution of these lately. And that is the full haul from Walmart.